Caitlin has absolutely no idea Willie's here, and they've not seen each other since we finished filming 99 to Beat. We've blindfolded her, and we're about to go and surprise her. Let's go in. Welcome to Late Night Snacks, where I take my guests' favorite late night snacks and turn them into gourmet little treats. I am Chef Donkey, and tonight we are making a fiery little treat for these two donkeys. Everyone loves hot wings, but Caitlin is vegetarian, so I thought, let's make some piri piri spicy cauliflower wings. So first we broke down the cauliflower into smaller florets whilst Will was doing the dry dredge. Quickly salted the cauliflower and set aside to draw out most of the moisture. And we quickly moved on to my famous piri piri sauce. So we chopped up some tomatoes, onions, garlic, you know, the usual stuff that I put in my famous piri piri sauce. For the full recipe, link in description and on screen right about now. All we gotta do now is feed them into this blendinator.
Blendinator.
Blendinator on.
That's a quiet blender.
So, like every good chef, we have to try what we've made. I'm just gonna go and dip that in there and see if we need more salt, more acidity, or more sweetness. So, tell me how spicy you think it is.
That's really nice. It's
Maybe
like,
one of my favorite recipes, sauce recipes to make. Yeah.
It's like a perfect blend of like sweet and
yeah.
oh.
Tickling the throat a little bit now.
Then for the wet dredge, we took some of the dry dredge and combined it with sparkling water to make a slurry. Yummy. So, let me squeeze. Give me space on my show, man. We've done all the prep now. Cauliflower has been sitting for some, as you can see. Look how much water I've let some drip out. Has come out of there. So now, we're gonna dredge it and fry some amazing cauliflower wings. Get some oil into our fryer. Whilst the fryer heats up, we're gonna do the dredge for the cauliflower wings. You've done all the hard work. This is literally the fun part. So, well, if you take like one or two of those, dip them in the dry dredge.
Right, yeah.
And then you're gonna dip them into the wet dredge. And then Caitlin's gonna use her beautiful princess hands and dip it into this here. Teamwork is the dream work.
There we go.
As it is. And we'll
Oh, go
make a
ahead,
mess.
Jason.
Let the professional make a mess.
Who did you think would win? Not one.
To be honest, looking at the crowd, like there was such a diverse group of people, like, you know, creatives. There were so many people with different talents. So I probably thought it was going to be like one of the stronger athletes. Yeah, because in a lineup, you would never, and I love it, the fact that we all made the final.
Yeah. I don't think anyone would have expected it.
Do you know what I mean?
So, someone, I'm not going to say who, has said to me that they would never have thought of the people that's in the final. That's in the final.
But isn't that incredible?
That's incredible.
That's the beauty of the show.
That's the beauty of the show. Look at these. Now this is what you call a little amateur cook. No, okay, she's amazing. As I said before, one wet hand, one dry hand.
These gorgeous fingers.
The oil is ready. So let's fry some hot wings. I'm gonna go just a few at a time. Can I just say again, maybe it's the beer talking now. It's really, really lovely to see you guys. You know, there was a few like meetups, and I've not seen, believe it or not, these two donkeys because she decided to be Irish and he's decided to be intelligent and go to uni. So we've never had a chance to like meet up.
I know, but I think people don't realize how close you actually get. It's like a wee family, and you're so supportive of other people, and you're there for them, and it's so beautiful to have someone to hug and celebrate with after.
They become your support network, feeling emotional after a tough day, and so many tears were shed by so many people.
Yeah. Like every single challenge, the support was there right till the end. Well, not me, because I
Well, for us.
How cool do these look?
Gorgeous.
Do they
So
look like?
good.
They actually look like chicken wings.
Yeah,
Really
yeah,
crispy as well.
They do. We just got them out the fryer. They're still glistening. And very important too is put salt on them straight away. They still have a bit of oil on them, and if you season them straight away a bit more, Will, go on, be a bit more generous, man. Come on. And the salt will stick on them and we'll season them well. Okay, guys, this is the fun. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil in here, just a little bit, just to coat the bottom of the pan, literally that much. And then we go with like say 3 tablespoons of peri peri sauce. So what we're gonna do now is glaze our wings like a honey glaze, and I'm gonna put about a tablespoon of honey. This is like a classic glaze for hot wings, but I'm taking it all the way to South Africa. Actually, it is Portuguese. Well, do you want to chuck this butter in there, and then we're just gonna emulsify the butter in there, and this is gonna become the glaze. It's gonna coat and makes it spicy, crispy wings with like a nice glaze on the outside. You're gonna love it. Well, do you want to grab some of these wings?
Yeah.
And we're just gonna glaze them gently in there. Sorry, don't worry.
Squealing nerves.
Sorry.
The confidence you have. I know you're a
I've
professional
been
chef.
doing this so long.
That's a talent in itself.
That is.
Yeah, he wanted to have a go.
No, I don't have a go.
Let the champion do it. Champion.
Channel Up
Jason.
Pancake Challenge.
I know.
Oh my God! A bit like that. Yeah. There we go.
I love it.
How do we want? I see. You got all confidence there.
Look how awesome
They
these
do
look
look
now.
so nice.
Look at these bad boys! Oh my God! Go on, get your hands dirty. I'm also gonna get a little one.
Ready?
They
Cheers.
still wanna beat me. But eat one out me. Jesus Christ! Cheers!
Oh my God.
Oh, they are so good.
How tender, soft, and the crisp, and the glaze.
That glaze.
How well does that come together?
I'm like silent. So good. I haven't
Yeah.
had chicken wings in over 10 years, so it's nice. It's nice to have, do you know what I mean? But the cauliflower wings I've had haven't been like as, because even in the inside they're almost meaty because they're
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Now, you guys can go and try Will and Caitlin's new favorite late night snack. Told you, I'm not gonna let them make their own snack on my show. They beat me once, they're never gonna do it again. Recipe down below. Can I just, I forgot to say in the beginning, ladies and gentlemen, the runner-up of 1998. Whoa! And beat me once, and the winner, little Caitlin of 1998. And me, I can say. So, as you can see, these are. So, as.
I'm so like.
Sorry. Every time I hear you sing, I get surprised because I've heard you sing, I think, on the show as well. I'm like, what the hell? She can sing as well.
Will can sing. Many talented people.
See,
in
I
this
didn't
class.
know that. But the first time I heard Finley sing, I was like,
Finley's
what
Indian.
the
Yeah.
so. What did I say I'm going to say?
You said
Actions, obviously. Oh my God, you guys. Jason, you are the best donkey in the world. Thank you so much. Love you guys.
Oh.